Hi, I'm Andrew Bennett, and it's such an honor for me to be a part of this event. I want to encourage you to make a contribution. Every donation counts. Every donation makes a difference. And to demonstrate, I'd like you to join me over at the close-up camera. Every contribution makes a difference. Every dollar counts. If you've got $5, for example, $5 can make a real difference in a student's life. $5 can pay for breakfast, lunch, and a snack for one student for a day. If you've got $500 can pay for a field trip for an entire class, including transportation to one of Chicago's great museums. Every contribution makes a difference. I love the theme of this evening's event, Limitless. And I love it because that's what magic is about. Magic is about showing that you are limitless. Because we do things that seem impossible, we show you that they're possible. And I've been helping people transcend their limitations for 27 years. I'm not just a magician, I'm actually a consultant and a coach. And I use magic to help people change. And so I'm going to share some things with you tonight about transcending your limitations. These are things that I've learned over the last 27 years, and I've coached hundreds of people to grow and become better people, to have happier lives. And so we're going to talk first about the power of words. Now, you all know the magic word, right? It's yes, abracadabra. Abracadabra is the magic word. It's the magic word around the world. And abracadabra is an Aramaic word. It means, you ready for this? Abracadabra means, what I speak is what I create. What I speak is what I create. Our words create our world. Our words are the spells that we cast to create things in our lives. That's why it's called spelling. And so let me just demonstrate abracadabra for you, this idea that what I speak is what I create. We're going to take a very simple word, the word ball, and I'm going to write it down. And human beings are visual creatures. When we hear a word, we create a picture in our mind. So when you hear ball, you see a ball. But if what I speak is what I create, and we want to create a ball, at this stage it could be any kind of ball. It could be a golf ball, a soccer ball, a football. We don't know. If we want something specifically, we have to be specific. So I'm going to call this bowling ball. And then the picture starts to get a little bit more specific, a little bit more clear. And that's important, to be clear on what you want in life. And so now this is where you can help me. Audience participation. We're all going to say abracadabra on the count of 3. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Abracadabra! Ah! Truly, what I speak is what I create. I've been doing magic for over 50 years. I got a magic set when I was 7 years old, and the first 3 lessons of magic are appear, disappear, and restore. First, you learn how to make something appear, then you learn how to make something disappear, and then you learn how to restore something that's been cut or burned or torn. Appear, disappear, and restore. So allow me to demonstrate. You'll notice my flower. I've been wearing a white flower in my lapel since my first magic show in 1968. And I'm just going to pluck a petal from the flower because that's going to represent our idea, an idea. In order to make something appear, you have to be clear on what it is you want to appear. And then you need some energy. And energy comes from inspiration. You need to be inspired about your idea. And so we'll just create a little inspiration, a little energy. And when that energy of inspiration comes into contact with the seed of your idea, well, that's how we make something appear. That is the appearing act. Now, next comes disappear. And disappear happens quickly. So don't blink your eyes or you'll miss this. You ready? Happens on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, disappear. Did you catch it? Yeah, the ball is gone. This is an egg. Now, obviously it hasn't quite disappeared, so we need to do that's that Rocky moment. Remember in Rocky when he used to drink the eggs? Da, 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 da. So that's disappear. And the last act is restore. And so I'm just going to break off a little bit of the shell. I'm going to get a clean glass, and I'm going to place the shell in the glass. Now this is where I need your help. I'd like you to focus healing energy, restoring energy on the shell, and watch as it grows right before your eyes. It restores, it's coming back, and with your help, all you have to do is focus on it, focus good healing energy on it. Focus on healing the egg. It's almost there. And there it is, back, restored. And let's just have a look at it. And there you can see it's restored. So that's appear, disappear, and restore. And here's the thing. I found out that that's actually an amazing formula for revitalizing your life. Think about it. What do you want to make appear? What do you want in your life? What do you want to disappear? What needs to go away? What do you need to stop doing? What do you need to stop tolerating? Maybe it's negative thoughts. And finally, what do you need to restore? What needs healing? What needs repairing? What do you need to bring back? So appear, disappear, restore, when you apply them to your life, that can be a really great formula for revitalizing your life. Maybe you're a new empty nester. Maybe you're graduating from school. All these different situations where change is happening, and this is a great formula. What do you want to make appear? What do you want to make disappear? And what needs to be restored? And so thank you for participating in this event with Ryan Banks Academy. Please do make a contribution. Share your prosperity. Because here's something a lot of people don't know about the word prosperity. Prosperity is a Latin word, and it's 2 parts, pro and spera. Pro means toward, and spera means hope. So prosperity means towards hope. Thank you for sharing your prosperity so that you can help these young students move toward hope.